Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup After Effects Render Queue settings for repeat exports. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open Adobe After Effects and load your project. Navigate to the Render Queue panel. Select the item you want to backup. In the Render Queue panel, locate the settings you want to save. Click on the Settings button for your chosen render. Choose Save Settings As. Name your settings file and select the folder where you want to save it. Click Save to store your settings. Now, to backup the Output Module settings, click on the Output Module button. Repeat the Save Settings As process for your Output Module settings. Name the Output Module settings file and click Save. To access your saved settings later, return to the Render Queue. For the render settings, click on the Settings button again. Choose Load Settings. Navigate to the folder where you saved your render settings. Select your file and click Open. Do the same for the Output Module by clicking the Output Module button. Choose Load Settings. Select the Output Module settings file and click Open. Your previous render settings are now loaded and ready for use. This method helps streamline your export process for future projects. You can easily switch between different settings as needed. Now, you're prepared for efficient and consistent exports in After Effects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.